Did you know someone is targeted by a cyber attack every few seconds? If you use a phone, a laptop, or the internet, this video is for you. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about cybersecurity for beginners in just 2 minutes. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your devices, accounts, and data from cyber threats like hacking, phishing, malware, and identity theft. Simply put, cybersecurity helps keep your digital life safe. Here are the 7 most common cybersecurity threats beginners should know. Phishing attacks, fake emails or messages that steal your information. Malware, harmful software that damages or spies on your device. Weak passwords, one of the biggest cybersecurity risks. Public Wi-Fi attacks, hackers spying on unsecured networks. Ransomware, a type of malware that locks your files and demands payment to restore access. Social engineering, manipulating people into trusting attackers, often by pretending to be a company, coworker, or authority figure. Outdated software, old apps and systems have security holes that cybercriminals actively exploit. Here are simple cybersecurity tips anyone can follow. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. Don't click suspicious links or attachments. Keep your devices updated. Avoid public Wi-Fi without protection. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. These basics can protect you from most cyber threats. If you want more beginner-friendly cybersecurity tips and updates, subscribe and follow Hoplon InfoSec.